Hello traders, this is Aftab and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly forex forecast for the week that will start on Monday, 29th May 2023 and the week will end on Friday, 2nd June 2023. So in this video, I will be discussing different currency pairs that I have discussed in my last weekly forex forecast video, and I will be showing you most of the setups and analysis and the levels that I gave in the previous video. They worked really well, and majority of the moves were higher than 300 pips. So I'm sure most of you must have made nice and decent profits. Today, I'm going to discuss pound yen just like I discussed it last week. Then dollar yen, obviously, dollar Swiss franc, pound dollar, and euro US dollar. Gold, I will be discussing in a separate video. All of you know, on Sunday evening, I upload a video. So for gold forecast for the week. So make sure to click the subscribe button if you like my content. And the stuff that I'm sharing with you right here is this is the pro stuff. I have learned it on the basis of my own experience of 8 years of forex trading here since 2016. I am on YouTube. All of you know who are following me for a long time. Secondly, try to give me your feedbacks and in the form of comments, because that give me a very, like you can say, it recharge me and it motivates me upload these videos on regular basis. So these are the five pairs. I want to discuss them because dollar yen, obviously it will require a bit more time, because all of these pairs are on major levels, right? So pound yen, let's discuss it first. And if you have seen my last weekly analysis video, what I was looking last week was obviously uh, 1 2 3 4, and this is the 5. So last week what I have told you is that market gave a nice break above 171.527. So I discussed this break above and then the retest, and I also discussed the long term opportunities as well. I picked this whole move all the way from the start of this year, and till now so far it's working very well. And to me seems like it is approaching 174, just like last week I have discussed. So since then the market, like, it gave several rejections from the level 171.149. So a total move of around 200, around 230 pips, right? And obviously this is the current situation. So let's have a look at the weekly first. Just like last week, what I have told you is that the weekly candle is showing a very strong buy. Result is right here in front of you. Now what's next? Obviously on the weekly, I have nothing on the basis of which I should rely. There is also no present ABCD pattern right here, but obviously for that I have to study uh, this daily time frame a little bit, because I'm sure we will find something right here. So an impulsive wave right here, and along with that, if I draw Fibonacci on it, a clear rejection from 61.8% retracement. Now those long-term traders who are following me for long time, in March, what I have told you is that market is going to drop. Price was trading somewhere right here on the basis of this rejection candle. Took several trades, and right here I took a buy. So since then my analysis is on bullish side, right? And if you see, we have got this ABCD pattern completion right here. Market, if we study this completion area, clearly we can find this triple top, and to further validate this level, I will draw Fibonacci from top to bottom. And just have a look at it, 61.8% retracement. Even I discussed it as well. I'm not going into the much detail of it at this particular moment, and obviously we got this completion. So what's next? Obviously my main concern is that, okay, where is it approaching? Since we have nothing fresh to the left side, okay, this is the thing that occurred from 2020 till now so far. This bullish move, the long term one, it is like of this impulsive wave, 21st June 2015 till 2nd October 2016. 1 year worth of move. And then from March 2020, from 2016 till May 2021, market was ranging obviously. So no doubt it's going clearly up, and it has even closed above that previous level as well. See, so sort of like a historical high is broken, and market is now going straight up. I had one ABCD pattern, this one, but obviously it will complete near 174.735. This is, remember, a very nice zone for looking some sell opportunities, right? But those sell opportunities will not be blind, right? Let's suppose let's say on Monday, if the market approach 174.735, and on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, like, or even Tuesday, Wednesday, two candles rejected from the level, then yes, 368 pips of profit is expected. So it is clearly approaching 174.735, another 174 pips up move. Now on the weekly, obviously I want to study this a little bit, since we have got a rejection from here. So let's start the analysis from right here, and let's see. Seems like this one is completed. It like the market has not left any sort of clues behind. This candle, a very strong candle. So let's see 174.735 in the upcoming week. Who knows, we can get a nice reversal from right here. On the monthly, if we see, we have got a rejection on 1st January 2014 from the same level. So remember, it's not an ordinary level, and also the month is going to close. So this is like in the upcoming week the monthly candle will close. So this is like my personal observation, that whenever the monthly candle closes, in most of the time, like out of 12, like 50% of the time, I can say majority of the traders leave their positions. So let's see if we are lucky enough, majority of the traders will leave their positions near 174.735, and then we will get a very nice rejection from that level. So I hope it helps, right? No fresh buy trades are advised at this particular moment at all, right? Because my friends, see, like, rules are rules, and we are supposed to obey the laws of forex. So if a market is trading at a highest point and it's near, it's like the monthly candle is about to close, so there is no need to take fresh trades in this month. Later, after on 1st June, let's see how the candle closes. But at the moment, no fresh trades. If you are into a trade, just keep it and let's see wherever the market takes us. Dollar yen and dollar yen, if we see, if you remember, since 1 month, I'm saying that dollar yen has to go up. Majority of you out there were selling it. Majority of the retail traders, even the big traders, even the professional traders, everyone was selling it. What I have said in my videos, all of the recorded videos are present on my channel. What I have said is, and I did that in front of you. You can search a dollar yen usdjpy forex analysis by Aftab, episode 1, right? Episode 2 I have to upload that later. So obviously 140 was one of the level. Nice profits, 425 from here. If you took this breakout and a retest, then you must be in 317 to 320 pips of profit. And still there is a very good chance that the market will be retesting 142.172. Now again I have to look back to the left side to find out if this level is strong enough. Well, seems like it is, and by the time it will be approaching 142.172 dollar yen in correlation, if I look at it, it will be completing its 174.735. So most probably at this zone I will be looking for some sell opportunities, right? Now on the H4, if I see, nothing, clearly nothing, just a bottom right here and a clear straight up move. And I have discussed all of these moves. This is 61.8, 473 pips, then a double bottom, I guess one losing trade right here as well, and then a double bottom, and I guess this was 157 was the take profit, then a breakout, and didn't traded this one because it was obviously no trading zone, and then the breakout and no, the breakout and the take profit 139, then a breakout, a retest, and still with a break even stop I'm looking at 142.172. so let's see what happens there. If I draw Fibonacci of this whole impulsive wave, market will clearly be approaching 142. So let's see if this month it gives us that move, or if next month it gives us that move. But overall it seems a very nice trend still, right? Still at this moment it seems a very nice. So strong selling volume is expected at 142.60 till 142.172. This is the whole range, right? And stops obviously will be above 146.13, because last time it violated the rules and it gave a break above. Now obviously if we look at the trend, it is clearly up at the moment, and this impulsive wave started on 21st October 2022 till 17th January 2023, and since then market is like this whole stuff you are looking at right now on the screen. this is a counter trend reversal of this impulsive wave, and it has a reason. It has a reason because let me tell you that as well. We have on the weekly got a lower low. See this one and see this one. A clear break of structure. So in such situations, what I recommend usually is just wait patiently for the market. Wait till 142.602, and there we will see, because RSI levels are also at a very good level. So I think it can become a very nice trade opportunity. If the market never stops here or never gives us any sort of clue, then obviously it has to close above it. So once if it close above it, it gives a retest and we will take a buy, right? And right now, most of the traders I know, hundreds and 200s of messages and charts I receive on my WhatsApp number. I don't understand why, let's say this market is dropping, most of the traders will be stuck here as a buy. Why, my friends? Why 629 pips you are risking? Same on the lower time frames. You guys are repeating these mistakes again and again, because I want to make this very simple to you, because I want all of you to make money, right? All of you. Because if you are happy, I will be happy automatically. And that is the goal of this channel, right? So please, I request you to follow these levels exactly the way I tell you on your demo accounts, because whenever emotions come into your trading, from that moment you are going losing. Have you ever seen when you take one trade it go positive, you take two trades it go positive, you take another third trade it go positive, then you say okay, I have made nice profits, let's trade and trade and trade and trade, and what happens is that you give back more than what you have earned in those three trades. This is a very simple example, my friends. So please uh, practice it a lot. And emotions, no, emotions will not work. Emotion can destroy your forex trading career, right? Keep that in mind. Move on to the dollar Swiss franc. And dollar Swiss franc, obviously I am like, everything is right here, transparent in front of you. Clearly I'm following it towards 0.90920. Very simple it is, isn't it? It's very simple. If you want to make it complicated for yourself, you can do that, right? But if you can do it the simple way, why not? Now, most of the traders are messaging me, shall we take a dollar Swiss franc trade? Well, my friend, here is my level. See, this is the breakout point. Even we have got a retest and the confirmation. So how do I know if it is going to close above it or not? What if it gives this thing? So obviously a sell towards that will be then advised if it is confirmed till 0.89191. But I also cannot suggest a sell at this particular moment. Yes, I will be waiting for 0.89217 to take a buy trade. Why a buy trade? Because like, see, we have got a nice impulsive wave. And there is a logic behind it. Stay with me and let me explain that to you. Why I'm not going to take, like, why I'm going to take a buy trade right here? Because after the end of every trend, there we get a smaller impulsive wave. And with the passage of time, it increases. Like if it is smaller now, the next ABCD pattern which we get, it will be bigger than this one. The third one will be bigger than this one. So in total, we get three impulsive waves, which we call the three drives pattern. So yes, this is one zone, and if the market continues straight up, well, if you are a scalper, this is 100, how much pips? 112 pips of opportunity. So even as a scalper, if you can generate 40 or 30 pips or 40 pips, still that will be nice on Monday. But obviously, we have, like, I'm expecting this correction and I will need it. Otherwise, if I just simply tell you, I'm looking 0.91988. I will be lucky enough if I get this chance. Otherwise, market is straight going and retesting 0.91988. Very, very simple it is, right? And the dollar is also gaining strength. Gold is going down. Tomorrow, make sure to watch the gold forecast. Okay, so I will be discussing this correlation in much detail. So yes, this is about the dollar Swiss franc. Nothing too much fancy to discuss this week. Very, very simple it is. A correction and another buy position. Simple. Correction will be almost like 170 pips is this and 104 pips is this. So seems like a out of 400 pips. Don't try to be so greedy. This is a 400 pips of total plan. Take it even if it gives you 250 pips. The rest of the 100 pips, we will recover it from somewhere else. Don't you see me live what I do? The setup which gives me 600 pips of profit, I just take 400 or 350 from it, wait for a correction and then trade again. And this is actually my strategy. Pound US dollar, again, there is nothing so much fancy about it because I clearly see it dropping towards 1.21370, a Fibonacci on the daily. See. So let's wait for it, let it drop, and then we will decide what we need to do next, right? This is like very, very simple. If we see the trend is obviously up at the moment. Have a look at it. So very simple it is. 1.18. I'm sure you will remember this was also our zone. We traded this, right? But then we just got 400 pips from it and left the market. Then a breakout and then a continuation. So what's so difficult in this? Euro US dollar, very, very simple it is. Last week I took several trades on it. Not several, I guess 2 or 3. Live I got one trade and it hit the take profit. And it was on a sell, and since there all of you remember I'm following it. Now it is clearly standing at the zone from where I am supposed to take a buy. But here is the big deal. Here is the big deal. And what's that? Can I take a buy right here? Just have a look at the weekly. Isn't it possible it can retest this zone? There is a possibility. So why should I take a risk? Obviously, I will be waiting for 2 or 3 days to get some sort of reversal at this particular zone. Just have a look at it on the H4. It's keep dropping and dropping and dropping. In this channel you can see. So one thing that I want to tell you, and that is a break above this channel will tell us that okay, now something is going to happen. So let's wait till Monday. Let's see this much take profit. 146 pips it can give you, but till Monday I want to stay neutral about it, right? I want to stay neutral about it. It is no doubt standing at my buy zone. So any long-term trader who want to take a buy trade will be 247 pips a stop loss and the take profit will be somewhere else. But my friends, don't be in a rush. Just wait for this rally to confirm something to us. After all, we should know where is the market going. Is it giving us some nice reversals or not? Because if this weekly trend continues, 100.05 has gone nowhere. But then the fight will be on a level 1.01374 till October and November and December, the end of this year. So half of the year is gone. And I haven't seen any significant price moves right here for the long term, for the investors. Like out there, most of the traders are investing in euro US dollar in physical and uh, as an investor in the forex, in the stock market, everywhere people are investing in euro against the dollar. So don't be in a rush. 1.07 till 1.05, not a very big difference. Okay. So we have, like, since 2 3 weeks we are non-stop making nice profits. But like, I was thinking, when will the time come that I will say, hey everyone, stay neutral on euro dollar, stay neutral on pound dollar, say do this, do this. So at the moment, pound yen is moving nicely, nice opportunities. Dollar yen moving very nice. Dollar Swiss franc moving very nice setups. But pound dollar, yes, it's also moving nice, pointing down. But euro dollar is clearly standing up there, and yet gold has to fall down as well. So I cannot suggest any sort of buy trade at this particular zone. And obviously, if I switch to the H4 and if I dig down further, I will find an opportunity for you. But looking at your messages and your interest, I think you are not interested in those lower time frames, which is a very good thing to do. Right at the start of my channel, I used to stop people to trade the lower time frames, just the H4 daily, weekly, and higher time frames. H4 used to be the, like, it was the minimum higher time frame, lower time frame, which I allowed. So these days, obviously, H1, M30, M15, M5, M1, like, if you lower your time frame, the difficulty level of your analysis increases, right? Of your success rate increases because of the false wicks, false breakouts, too much noise, little people get together and they crash the market a little bit. Even 50, 60 pips, if they hit your SL, they must be happy. It's more than enough for them, right? So yes, I want to stay neutral about euro US dollar, and now I have decided that the daily forex forecast videos that I upload every day, I will try to every day discuss the candle that closes. So in the upcoming week, it will be a trial. Let's see if I can do it 5 days a week. Then definitely Monday to Friday, I will be discussing it and will be giving you the accurate image of the market. Right. So this was the weekly forex forecast. And yes, one thing I forgot: the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is clearly at a sell level, and 63 pips it dropped. Well, dollar CAD seems very, very nice to me. A drop is expected on the dollar CAD. RSI is also at a good level, so let's see. Clear drop is expected, but we have also got a breakout. Very congested market at the moment. I want to delete everything because I'm sure you will now know my analysis. Actually, dollar CAD has, like, it was in a triangle, right? Not in a very big triangle, but still it was this. So we got a breakout, and now seems like, and it obviously has got this double top up there. And let's find out if there is any sort of divergence. So let's see. Yes, there is, but it's not hidden. So let's see. As per my analysis, with a stop loss of around 246 pips, anyone who can take a risk of 240 through 43 pips can generate 539 pips right here. At 1.31038 it will be pointing down, but for that obviously it has to give several candles, then we will decide. On Monday I will talk to you about this in further detail. Till then, if you have any sort of questions, please feel free to contact me on the WhatsApp number that is given in the description. Also, you can comment me because it gives me a good feedback and that's it. So, and if you want to join my premium sessions where I will teach you advanced forex trading, even if you are a beginner, contact me on the WhatsApp number and I'll guide you further. So thank you so much everyone. I will see you tomorrow in the gold forex forecast for the upcoming week, starting from 29th May 2023. I will see you in that video. Till then, take care of yourself. Make sure to leave me a like and click the subscribe button if you are new. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.